Hi there, on this video, I'll show you how to get unbanned from Tinder. To start, go to your mobile internet browser and then click on or type support.tinder.com. Alright, wait for me to type it in here. Once I'm there, I'm going to click on the link, submit a request. Alright, wait for it to load now. Any second now. Once you're here, you can click on submit a request, and then it could be anything, but plead your case. Our request here is trouble in logging in. There we go. Click on what's going on, and then search for the one that matches your exact situation. Now add in here your email address of the Tinder account that you're using, and also add in your phone number. On description, explain your case and why you should not be banned on Tinder. After typing it here, it could be long or short, it's all up to you. Once you're done with here, you can just scroll down and click on submit. Just follow the steps that's going to happen in your screens, following my instructions. Alright, we're getting closer now. Alright, you can also add attachments and click on submit. That's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, subscribe.